आपल्या कार्यकाळात सुरू केल्ले विविध प्रकल्प वास्कोच्या नव्या आमदारान फुडें व्हरपाचे आदले आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदाची इत्सा आसा. गरज पडल्यार वेगवेगळ्या विकास कामां खातीर सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यां बरोबर बसकेक रावपाक आपूण तयार आसा म्हूण कार्लोस आल्मेदा उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
कितें जाता फाल्यां कितें जाता somebody said about आतां इंडियन म्हणलें about some project they may want something else, so if we change the project everything changes. Ata see we're building a jetty he says na apple jetty naka, we want it by now, then there'll be more issues.
So many of the projects that you have listed today, about 17 of them, most of them have already got the work orders or some are due for tendering stage. What went wrong that all these projects were stalled for so long?
हांव म्हणटा सदां सांगतालो की म्हाका गव्हर्मेंट सपोर्ट मेळना लास्ट so many years, so still but anyway we pushed forward the files. पुश करून आमी इतले फुडें पावले. At least now it is much easier for the next new MLA Daji Salkar to follow up the files.
So all that you're trying to say is that for the sake of Vasco, these files, this project should be carried forward, which were laid down by you earlier.
See, even Allekar and INS Gomantak एक tank propose केले. Allekar very MLA in 2002 or 3. That time Fuga Damle was there. मागीर ते जे फिल्पान follow up केले. Then when I became the MLA, आमी inaugurate केले. What it like? Same way, some project will happen like this now. To wish the new MLA all the best. See, because it's a battle concept is a winner. Secondly, म्हाका सांगपा जाय कितके project I सुरू केले start केले they have to continue. So this is ताका लागून हांवें meeting आपयलें press conference आपयलें सांगपाक तुमकां.
So you feel that the new MLA should have take consultations from you or meet up with you or discuss these projects, because
I'm not saying meet up with me. He can even meet up with engineers, because it's a process. It's a process. It's a continuous process. Governance is a process. So I can't break the. Nobody can break the process.
okay.